What's up guys? I'm going to show you how I wrapped my knee pads. These are the old wrap I did suede, and I decided I don't like the suede particularly. It just doesn't match with the look I'm going for. So I'm redoing it with regular leather. I've already stripped these two knee pads and took the knee pads of course out of the car, as you can see, which it's easy. It's just got the clips. As long as you get a clip removal tool like this, it'll work. So pop them right off. That's all it is to it to get them off. I need this. This is what I was using. It's basically spray concrete. That's like a glue form of it, and that's the residue you can see on here from when I peeled the old suede pieces off. I'm going to put a link in the description of where I got these leather skins from. He has other pieces too. He's actually in the UK, so it takes a little bit to get here in the US. I really like the quality of this. I'm changing everything on the interior of mine to have orange stitching. So this is a good way to do it. Kind of on the cheaper route, but still get good results. Chevy doesn't make any black knee pads with orange stitching that I could find. They only make the red. And I believe it's the gray suede. It's lighter than this. I just didn't like how that would look because I didn't want to have red with orange stitching. So I've already done the center console. I'll show what it looks like after I do all these. But I'm going to go ahead and strip the leather pieces off of these two other knee pads and get them all the way ready to rewrap as well. I thought I was going to like the suede with it, but it gets really matted down, and it's a lot of upkeep for this kind of suede. It's a little bit different than the factory suede that Chevy uses. I actually have the Hot Wheels Edition dash pad. It's a lot easier to maintain than this suede. Personally, if it was me, if you're going to order from this guy, I'm not a crazy fan of the suede. Some people might like it, but I wasn't a big fan of it, so I wouldn't go that route again. But the regular leather is 100% leather. It's nice, and it's actually the exact look I was going for. I ordered these black pieces hoping that they would match the Hot Wheels interior I had. So you can see these are just the regular knee pads and the base model Camaros, and just wrapped with this leather. It pretty much just rolls up when you run your thumb across it. I don't think it's going to matter much that I'm getting some of it off now because I'm about to just spray them again to rewrap. I just want to get the high spots. But this 3M spray, it's the 90 contact, high strength 90 contact adhesive. And when you spray it, you have to hold the pieces in place for a little bit and let it bond. You can't just like stick it and it'll stick immediately. It's like normal glue, you know. You have to hold it in place for a second. Probably could use some Goo Gone. I've got some. I think I'm just gonna leave most of that. Don't want to get any of it on my sleeves. Alright, so let's see. This piece does go with that. You can also tell the stitching on these are a little bit different than the factory Chevrolet knee pads. I believe the factory Chevrolet knee pads just go straight down. These kind of have a angle to it, but they still look really nice. Not a really big deal about that. You pretty much know by knowing it'll go from this corner to this corner. So that one goes with that one. Alright, so I just watched the preview of all the live footage. It's a new camera, so I'm testing it out using a GoPro strapped to my head. I realized that the angle wasn't as good as I was hoping it would be, so I fixed that. Now we're gonna do one of the knee pad to the center console. So this one's fairly simple. As you can see, the lines kind of go with the line of the knee pad. So you kind of have to grab it like this, that way you don't get a lot of fingers. Not bad. All my truth, I guess. I don't like how that looks, but I think it'll be hidden. Hold on just a second. That looks good. Looks better than it did. Looks better than it did. Here's the center console. In the same leather and everything. It looks a little lighter from the sunroof, but yeah, this is it's starting to come up together nice. It's definitely the look I was going for, more so than the suede. So I forgot to make an outro for this video. I was going to show you all the final product of the knee pads. It turned out very nice. I've had a few videos since I recorded doing the knee pads and the leather. I now have the steering wheel, and then here's the other side. So they turned out really good. I don't know if you can see that one from the lighting. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll put a link in the description on the eBay listing of where I got these. And he's got all kinds of different colors you can choose from for the leather. You can even get a different type of leather, and you can do different color stitching. Yeah, leave a like and subscribe. Some more content coming out soon. And just stick around and watch some more videos.